Before we start this video, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at dantheman.com/Twitter. Make sure you guys send me a message in the comments down below that you did, because I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Daniel. Welcome back to another video, and Happy New Year's, everyone! Welcome to my very first celebration video, and this is a very big special one, guys, because we are on the last day, December 31st, last day of 2018. That is crazy. You guys think it's awesome that we made it to 2018? Because I think it is. You know? And I still want to thank everyone that's been supporting my channel since November. And I did have one New Year's resolution in mind. You guys know what my New Year's resolution is? To make it to 1,000 subscribers in 2019. That might be possible, might not be, but I hope I will, because I'm gonna do another special, another subscriber special, you know, for 100,000. Anyway, guys, in honor of this final year of 2018, and you know, something like that, I'm gonna react to more videos for all of you to see. So the first video I'm gonna react to. Stop the music. Okay. I'm gonna be reacting to my good friend, my awesome man, the hottest dog, and he has released a new video, guys. You know what it is? He did another welcome to my channel video, but it's the 2019 edition. And you know what? I like him. He's awesome. I'm excited about Special Strike. I mean, does Special Strike really have to come out really early in 2019? I mean, like, why can't it wait until later? Like, there's no rush. I mean, there could be Back and Forth, Children's Destiny, and maybe Can't Be Erased. I don't know. But you know what? Why not? You guys ready? Let's see this. Oh yeah! Ready? You guys ready? Wow, that was awesome. Was it awesome? I thought it was. Wait, I want to hear again. What do you say? Evening, newcomers. Welcome to my channel. If you come here for Maymays, you come to the right place. Let me see if I can. Again. Hey, so yes, guys, I know I watched the whole channel thing again, but I wanted to let you all know some parts that I have seen and haven't seen. Yeah, also says, and much more to come. Stay tuned for all of that, and I'll send it to you all and I'll see you all in the next one. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's to you too, hottest dog. Nice, that was awesome. You know? New Year's, best time of the day. And besides that, guys, I mean, first off, I want to say, great welcoming channel, hottest dog. And now, here's my YouTube channel. I want to make it to 1,000 subscribers. There's this other video I want to watch that was created by Youth Goes Boom, and it's this one. I mean, he's almost at 9,000 subscribers. It's like 900,000 subscribers. It's crazy. Without further ado, let's react to one of his videos or whatever. Eth goes boom. I'm a cupcake.
Hey guys, my name's Eth goes boom, and
Hey.
welcome to this year's Happy New Year's video.
Yeah.
Hope you guys have been having an awesome holiday season.
Thank you.
Have a very happy New Year.
You too,
So
Eth.
this year for New Year's, I didn't really know what to do, so I thought I would just do something that I've done in previous years, and it's something that I haven't done in a really, really long time, which is to do a best of Eth goes boom video, because
That's
in my
nice.
opinion, there was some really, really good videos that I made this year. There was the Ultimate Custom Night series.
Seen them.
The reaction videos and the gameplay.
Seen
There
that.
was also the Fun at Freddy's 2 series.
I did that.
Which I finally got around to doing.
Good.
There was some other really
I saw
good
them
ones
all.
like the Dead by Daylight video.
Saw that one.
And the Surgeon Simulator video.
Parts.
And even the Christmas special that I did recently.
That one too.
All those are really, really fun to
I'm gonna
do.
see the
And
surgery
I want
one.
to display what, in my opinion, were the best moments of 2018 on the Eth Goes Boom channel. And I just
Your
want to
channel.
take this opportunity to thank all of you guys that have been supporting my channel. It really, really means a lot to me.
Of
I'm
course.
trying to figure out which direction I want the channel to take in 2019.
Really?
I kind of feel like taking it in a new direction. And don't worry, guys. Freddy Fazbear and Friends aren't going anywhere. They'll always be on the channel, and I'll always make FNAF videos. But I kind of want to make new content as well, just to kind of shake things up, because the channel is dying a bit this year. I'm not going to lie.
Really?
I think this was probably the worst year for the channel. Views
Aww.
went down a lot, except for maybe the
No.
Ultimate Custom Night videos and the FNAF 2 videos. Basically, the videos that I mentioned before and the DVD one, all of those did really, really well, but every other video was kind of a bit meh in terms of views. A lot lower than previous years. So honestly, I would like to change things up and see what I can make on the channel to bring in new viewers and also interest you guys into watching more content. But it's the kind of thing
okay.
that I really need to think about. But in the meantime, I've got a lot of video ideas that I want to do. I really want to do a Super Smash Bros. Ultimate video with the animatronics.
Nice.
When Crash Team Racing Nitro Fuel comes out,
Cool.
I'm going to be playing that. I might finish doing the modes for Ultimate Custom Night with the animatronics.
Cool.
And also, a lot of you guys have been asking for more Dead by Daylight, so maybe I'll make more videos on that. We'll see what happens. But yeah,
Okay.
got a lot of ideas in mind, but I also want to come up with some new stuff to bring to the channel. You guys know what I mean? But anyway, enough talk, guys. Let's commence the Best of Eth Goes Boom 2018 compilation. And I hope you guys once again have a happy new year, and I'll see you guys in 2019.
You too, E. By the way, E, I think your YouTube channel is awesome. I don't think 2018 was the worst year for you, because you're my favorite. You're awesome. P.S. Do you know when your game Find It to East World 2 is coming out? Because I really want to play it.
You know, this game is actually pretty fun.
This
It's
one I know.
kind of therapeutic.
Wait, let me get to the funny part.
The full game looks pretty awesome, but it's not out yet.
Lies and slander! It's time to unleash the
Uh-oh.
balloon attack
Uh-oh.
on you! Yeah! Hi, President!
Uh-oh.
The balloon attack!
Get him!
No, no, no! Stop the balloon! No!
Oh!
Now she's gonna kill me! I want you all
Oh, this one I know.
myself, my only Valentine. So let's spend together forever. You'll be my first and my last Valentine.
Wait.
Don't be scared. It'll be quick. I knew it! My first Valentine. Oh my god! Come on, Foxy.
Oh, this one I know.
Right, good.
Oh wait,
Better
spot
not
difference?
spoil who's in this update, okay? I promise.
Spot the difference again!
Why not? Spot the difference. Spot the difference. Can you spot the difference? Yeah!
Alright, baby. So what's the first difference that you get? The first difference that I can see is that Nightmare Fox
Uh-oh.
added.
Whoops.
Stop it! Arise, my children! Arise once again! Puppet, maybe you should stop for a second then. No time to stop! The ritual is almost complete!
I've seen this one.
No, I'm starting to mellow.
Yeah, this one too.
This can't be happening!
They think it's getting worse every second!
Oh, jeez, everyone's freaking out. What the heck are we supposed to do?
By the way, guys, I'm sorry if I'm skipping some of these. I just want to get to the good parts, but I'm pretty sure something might know.
I can't believe I did it.
I know that.
Like, ever could she
This one I know.
built it on myself? Gee. Yeah.
This one.
Oh, just another boring day.
This one I know.
Oh, the ultimate rusty knife. Oh.
this one.
Recently revealed the behaviors of me and this other guy called Music Man in the Ultimate Custom Night. So I invited Music Man over so we can do a Fazbear reaction to the updates to the programming character's theme code. Oh, great. So I can't even be a part of the Fazbear reaction. What is going on?
Really, Plush Trap?
Nightmare in our nightmare house?
Yes. Yes, I am okay. I am okay.
You are.
Not! Oh, yes. This is a great honor, and... What the hell was that?
I don't know.
Vance.
Fire's Enter.
Entered.
Yeah, I'm the leader. I'm the leader. You know, lady, no one can
Entered.
you as the leader. So what makes you the leader of the party? Huh? Laura, don't even go there.
Ooh!
Trouble keeping them in line.
Hey, people. But enough for the wall, mate.
Oh, come on.
All right. I'm never drop Blue when she's at the... What? You get stuck? Oh my gosh.
Stuck in bed, that's a good one.
Shut up. It's not you did end up getting stuck, huh? And where did that pizza come from? I don't remember.
When you and Toy Fries, let's begin. Say hello! Oh my gosh!
That's
I
nice.
can feel
This
it.
made me
I
happy.
mean, El Chip. Rockstar. Whoa, bro, this is so awesome. Top to bottom, so it'll look nice when I get here. Although this floor is still kind of wet from when I mopped it. That's what the wet floor sign is for. Hopefully they won't slip when they...
Hola, Freddy. It's me, Rockstar Chica.
Ooh!
Rockstar Chica,
Jeez
you
Louise.
I'm gonna be fine as long as I don't sleep over again and...
Oh, jeez.
Oh, my
Almost made me
back.
jump.
Jacko Chica, why'd you have to do that? Because I'm a Jacko, duh. Thank you, puppet.
Oh, you're welcome, Chica.
Okay.
Here it is.
Uh-oh.
What's going on here? Is this a
Let me-
surprise
let me move
birthday
here.
party?
No, sorry. It's more like
Let me
a
move here.
kidnapping.
A kidnapping? Oh, well, that's like 30% less fun.
Get it.
Oh, crap. Oh, hey, get off me! Get off me! Get off! Oh, my God! Oh, jeez.
Goody.
Come on, I was just...
Ladies and
Why'd I do that? Why? It's just for fun.
Toy Fred. No, I just want a piece of...
No, he refuses to come out of the orbit. Be back. Huh?
Time to administer a controlled
Baby, what have you
shock.
done?
Wait, what? Controlled shock? What does that mean? That doesn't
This.
sound good.
I have returned, and I am evil, Daniel.
Hey, you're back already? I wasn't expecting to see you again so soon.
Hello, my friend.
Where am I? Oh, no. I'm clear soon, Circus. Wait, what? No. It is I, and I'll never stop talking.
Sty supper.
So, be in the room?
Brother, stop. Fine, you're no fun.
Roommates, pretty fun, right? Oh yeah, roommates.
Roommates.
This is just great, honey. Yep, well, we are best perfect. Okay, Jesus for camera, you know. I mean, I'm sure this isn't all forward nothing. Okay, that doesn't matter. Once the forward starts,
Jeez,
I
calm
leave
down.
go.
Ultimate custom-made session.
I guess, baby, things aren't going good, actually. B&B here lost his balloon, and he's really sad about it.
So sad about it. I'm nothing without my balloon. Aw, poor little guy. I don't know. Maybe it's true fit.
Awesome.
Totally. I'm circus baby. Oh my gosh. I think I'm in love.
Oh boy. Hey, fat boy. Where do you think you're going? I'm not done with you yet. You need to finish my game.
Dear God. R.E.S.T.
Oh my gosh, me.
This one.
Characters have been added.
This one I know.
Right, Miss Chica.
Successful in quite.
Wasn't there, guys? So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this compilation video. Once again, thank you so much to all of you guys for supporting me. And once again, I hope you all have a happy new year. And I'll see you guys next year.
Hey guys, real quick, there's gonna be a part 2, but I want to say goodbye real quick.
Bye,
Bye everyone!